There's a saying I like to think about every now and then, and that saying is, teamwork makes the dream work. I thought it would be a fun idea to show you guys a game I recently had where my teammates and I just completely poo-poo on the other team. It's a pretty simple objective though. One team has to defend the perimeter of the mines and has no respawns, while the attacking team has to find a way to pierce through from all sides and eliminate every defender. We're defending for the first round, but the next round, when we're on the attack, oh boy, it's just quick and dirty. Enjoy.
By the way, guys, squad going over there, they can't come through smoke. Keep on. Let's go.
The old barn?
Yeah, I got hit.
The old barn is there though. That's where that is. Oh, if you're red and you got hit? Do we know we're supposed to go when we're hit?
I don't know.
How we doing back there? Oh, yeah. There's one in that the cabin closest to us. Left, no, right inside of that barn, that open barn.
Where?
The barn behind us.
Oh, behind?
Yeah, behind. Right inside, right inside.
Oh, yeah. I see.
He's just peeking hard.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and take out this guy in the barn.
Good. Yeah, they're coming ready for a run, but I can't see him anymore in the barn.
Okay, I can see him.
Fuck them up. They're moving around left side of the cabin. Oh, I see one. Yeah, hold on.
He's hit. Right inside's gone. They're moving towards the middle now, from the left.
The guy's at sleep. I can't mark it out exactly though. Alright. I'll just put him down so I can't move.
Okay, one down in the middle.
Oh, come on!
They're all just like over there screaming because they don't know where I'm shooting from.
Oh wait, are they at the old cabin?
Yeah, well they're definitely over there.
I see. Are those friendlies or who are those?
Past us here, there's no friendlies.
An enemy moving left?
We got a hit player on green cabin. We have one more in the green cabin.
Got no eyes. We move behind that big tree.
There's one near stick tunnel somewhere.
I can use that.
One in the boathouse, guys. Boathouse to our right. Boathouse, got it.
Copy.
I'm watching it.
You're, we gotta wind your mag.
Two at the boathouse right in front of us somewhere.
Oh, really close, really close.
Got him.
Nice shot.
There's one more.
On.
That came to my left.
That dead friendly green cabin.
Yo, I bet the right side's completely open right now. I don't know.
One guy pretty far by their spawn, basically. I've seen nothing else, but...
Keep my eye on the right side, just in case. Who is that? Is that an enemy? He's just standing there.
I can't say anything. I don't know where that's coming from.
In front of the mini wolf den thingy.
Okay, one's dead.
Yeah,
I got one down in between two boat cabins. Boat houses.
Don't peek out there.
Right side's clear. I got nothing over there. Okay. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. We have a teammate to our right. We have enemies moving as well near the ravine. Yo, right up against the wall of the... Oh, he's hit. Oh, no. What is he? Okay, there's one more in the boat cabin. Just hold on to your butts, boys. Ah! Ah!
Holy hell.
Holy.
You guys got close.
Really close.
I think it was just us in that corner.
Yeah. They didn't push front side.
Yeah. If they had gotten the last guy out in the green cabin, we all would have been dead, I think. There's this crowd.
Flanking hard around left or right?
Yeah, yeah. Have some people here just doing their thing, and everyone just go that way.
All go around right side, they're gonna suspect it, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, but they can't do anything about it because they can't shoot out of the boathouse and be safe or anything. Like, that's the best side to go for sure.
The gun's fine.
Is it? Yeah. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god!
Shoot everything that's moving.
No, 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 no.
Already got one dead ahead of me.
Okay. Oh. Yo, we got friendlies at the left boathouse. Yep. Coming to you, coming to you. Left side of you.
Friendly left boathouse.
Sweet.
Hey, where we were last game, they're bunkered up in there.
Yep, yeah, of course. Hit player in the ravine, the ones you guys were looking at. Ravine side safe. I'm right behind you here.
Okay, bogey, right? You'll see kind of his peak of his gun.
Okay, I'm gonna just sprint to that thing. Moving, moving, moving. One's in the mine, 100%. What about that shack? That white shack in front of you?
This one right here?
Yeah.
Nothing in there. This one, with the red barrel, I don't think there's anyone in there either. I don't see anyone in mine. There's somebody off to the right.
Okay.
I'm just gonna push it, I guess.
Yo, is that green cabin clear?
Watch the green cabin.
Keep your eyes on green cabin. Tan buildings gone. We do have hit player bottom left corner of the mines. He is out.
Hit player right here.
Okay, so don't shoot him.
Yeah. Please don't shoot me.
He's out, yeah, get him.
You wore gloves and you probably right the finger. And
Oh,
Sorry, my dude.
armband. Armband?
Armband.
Okay, it's clear. Just get that green cabin. I think we got it.
There's more in the back.
Behind there, way back. Yeah, push past the mine.
Alright, like I said, the attacking round was very quick and dirty. The attack was so quick that I actually barely had to edit that entire game down to 10-ish minutes, which made my life a lot easier. So thank you. All thanks to great teamwork though. Everyone on my team pushed one another to the objective and everyone had each other's backs out there. We used our speed and systematically flushed out the enemy until there was just one kid left in a corner. All jokes aside, thanks for making this weekend a great team effort, guys. Every game we had was solid. See you next time.